everybody, it's Paul Grossman, the Dark Arts Wizard, and today I'm going to show you something kind of fun. So we're looking at Codingame, and this is a site where you are given challenges to solve in programming, but they also have this game element that's kind of fun. So take a look at this. This is Power of Thor game over here, and he's basically a character who's sitting off here trying to get to the source of light in order to charge up his hammer, and if he makes it, you win, and it gives you a bunch of different test cases. So I'm going to go and say solve it over here, and this is the basic code that they give you. Now basically what it's doing is it's just putting an output, a print line, and saying which direction you want to go, north, south, east, west, northeast, northwest. And then when you play it, we'll play this one right here, it basically says, okay, head him in this direction, and gives you the locations, coordinate locations where he's located at, where the light position is, and you have to write some code to get over from wherever he's at to that location. I'll put in my solution over here, and my solution basically says we're going to start off going southeast, and if we're not actually south or east of the direction, go west or north, and then it simply circles around until it gets to the correct location. So let's give this a run with my new code, and he is moving towards the light. So we're getting information about how far he is away from that light, and we are inputting the strings. Basically it's just a couple of E commands for going east to move him to his final destination, and we've won. So let's go for an optimum one. This is also has an amount of energy that you have, so this is the number of moves that you want. So if I play the optimum play, then the energy units, that's the number of squares you have to move to solve this, reduces down to the minimum. There's no room for error on this one. You can see that I'm outputting my distance. That's my distance over here, and my XY coordinate. And we just changed direction just to go east in order to get over there. And we are going to do it in just exactly the amount of squares in order to do it. We won it. That's great. Here's the really cool thing about why you should check out Codingame, is because I wrote this in Java, right? Okay, there's some Java in there, that's cool, but what if you don't want to write in Java? What if you want to learn it in some other language like TypeScript or Ruby or Lua, Kotlin, Dart, D? What if you want to learn those languages? Well, that's a really cool way that you can go and switch over to some other language, and it starts you off in the syntax of that language in order to get you started. So you can actually learn, there's Groovy over there, everybody wants to learn Groovy. You can learn how to do this in a bunch of different languages just by taking what you already know and applying it to most of the formatting of the language. Now, once you get all the test cases solved, one of the cool things you can also do is you can go over to your results, and down here, a little secret thing, it says browse the best solutions for this puzzle. You actually get to take a look at what other people have done to solve that particular challenge, and you get to look at it. So not only do you get to learn on how to write code, you can learn other techniques from other people in order to extend your own knowledge in software coding. Okay, I'm Paul Grossman, the Dark Arts Wizard. I work in test automation and have a little fun on the side. Please follow me on Twitter. I'm also on Reddit and Quora. And if you have questions, please ask them over there, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Please follow me here on YouTube and check out these videos. Hey, if you don't see the videos, you might be looking at a mobile device. Check it out on a web browser. All right, have yourself a great day.